Now we are carefully looking at the names of each number. Let us learn to write carefully. Number's name tends to 100. Okay? We're going to learn to write the number names. Number names tens to 100. Tens to 100. That's what we are going to do now. We're going to learn to write the number names tens to 100. Okay, number 10. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We know these numbers. Now we must know the spelling, the names of these numbers. And that's what we are going to do now. Okay? We know to count, we know to write. Okay? We know to build 10 times table. Now we're going to write 10. How do we write 10? Spell 10. 10. T-E-N. 10. 20. How will we write? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. We can make a mistake. We must be careful. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Next, 60. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. 70. 7 and T-Y. 70. 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90 and 100. A-U-N-D-R-E-D. Let's look carefully at this. 10, T-E-N. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30, F-O-R-T-Y. 40, F-I-F-T-Y. 50, S-I-X-T-Y. 60, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70, E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80, N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90, and then 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. So now we learn to write numbers name 10 to 100. Now, we have already learned 1 to 10, 11 to 20. Beyond 20, how will we write? If I give you a number, 21, how will we write the spelling? 20 and 1, okay? So now just see 20. You will write the spelling 20. 20, put a dash, write 1, 21. Okay, then 22. How will you write? You will write 20, 20, and dash to 22. 23, 20 and 3, 24, 20 and 4, and 25, 20 and 5, 20 and 6, 26, 20 and 7, 27, 20 and 8, 28, 20 dash 9, 29. Now we come to 30. Let us say, if I give you a number 33, 31, how will you write? 30 dash 1, 31. 32, 30 hyphen 2, 32. Now, we are going to write 33. Okay, that will be 30. 30, okay, dash, then 3, you will write 3, 33. And if it is 34, 30 dash 4, 34. Okay, now we're going to write 34. How will you write 34? Okay, 30. 30, and you put a small hyphen and write 4. 34. And then to write 35, how will you do? 30 hyphen 5. And it goes on like that. Okay, now you come to 40. Let's see how you will write the number's name for 45. 41, how will you write? 40 hyphen 1, 40 hyphen 2, 42, 43. Now 45, how will you write? F-O-R-T by 40 hyphen and 5. 45, okay? Now I say 46. How will you write 46? You will write again 40 hyphen 6. Then 47, 40, and put a small hyphen, 7, 48, 49. Now we'll write 50. When it comes to 50, how will you write 51? 50 hyphen 1, 51. Now 52, and you go on like that. Now I'm asking you, you will write 57. How will you write? 50, small hyphen, 7. Very good. You learn to write 57. Now let's say you want to write 58. How will you write 58? You will write 50, spell 50, hyphen 8. Next 50, hyphen and 59. Now we come to 60. Okay, 60. Now how will you write 61? Let's write 61. So you will say, you will write psi active 60 dash 1, 61. Good. Next, 62. How will you write 62? You will write 60 hyphen and 2. You see now? You learn to write. Now look at the 70. Let's see how will you write 76. How will you write 76? 70. Very good. You will write 70 dash 6. Okay. Now how will you write 77? How will you write 77? 70 hyphen 7. So from 20 to 100 you go on following. Now 80. Let's say you want to write 88. How will you write? 80. Very good. 80 hyphen 8. Okay, now let's say you want to write 89. How will you write 89? 80, small hyphen, and you write 9. Alright? Now, you come to 90. You want to write 92. Or let's say 93. How will you write? 93. You write 90 hyphen 3. 90. You put a small hyphen and you will write 3. And you will go on. Next, let's say 94. How will you write? Same, 90. And then you put a hyphen and 4. 94. See, we learned how to write the number, numeral name. Every number has a name. 0 to 10, 11 to 20, we learned. Beyond 20 to 100. We have done just few numbers and their names. Okay? Now, it's very easy from 20 to 100, I've done a little dodging for you to learn. If it is 21, 20 and 1. If it is 22, how will you write? 33, how will you write? And 45, then 57, 61, how will you write? So you have to practice this in your house. When it comes to 100, you have to write 100. Because there'll be more, you'll have 200, 300, like that. So we learned today to write the numbers name, tens to 100.